Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, Canning Recipes, a little bit of everything. We're quite warm, guys. We did get up to the 90s over the weekend, and then yesterday maybe 85, and then I think we're going to be in the low 80s this week. And they're saying a substantial cold front is coming on Sunday. That was 2 days ago, guys, and yes, we got rain. We've gotten about 1.5 inches, maybe close to 2. You can see how dark those clouds are. You can see back here behind me, and it looks like we're due to get another 2 to 4 today. I don't think we'll get that much, but I think we might get maybe 2, but I don't think we'll get the 4, but I guess we'll be finding out. Let's see what's going on around the farm. So, looky there. My fall starters, guys, are finally taking off. And look, that mushroom compost is producing mushrooms, and they are edible, and they are absolutely delicious. Carrots are really growing and making a strong show, so I can't wait to see how these do and to start harvesting these carrots. But they really did very well in this raised bed, guys, in the little high tunnel. I'm very excited. Herbs are coming to the end of their life cycle. We are still processing, and then I'm also getting seeds from these. They are looking, some of them are still looking quite beautiful, but we may get a freeze next week. So cold front's going to move through on Sunday, and it's going to drop us pretty quick. And then different weather reports, some are saying 34, some are saying 39. So we could absolutely get a freeze or a frost. Probably Monday or Tuesday, so we're gonna have to watch that because we need to get those pumpkins off those vines back there if it looks like we're gonna get a freeze or a frost, and let them ripen. Now, as long as your pumpkins have started to turn, you can set them out and they'll continue to ripen, and that's probably what we're gonna have to do. Look at my mustard greens and my chard and my kale. My goodness, guys, they have really enjoyed these cool nights, or cooler nights, I should say. We haven't been that cool. We've been around 70 to 74, but that's fixing to change. So, yes, these beautiful mustard greens are so delicious, and yeah, I'm very excited. Now, these plants came from seeds that I harvested from what I grew back in the fall and early summer. So we still have some seeds left. If you're interested, go check out our website, guys, which is www.alvaredocommunityfarm.com. Something's nibbling on some of my plants up here. Looky here. I bet, certainly a chewer, I bet it's been a grasshopper. I don't see any of those cabbage worms, but it doesn't mean they're not there. Yeah, I'll have to get Greg to come out here and check these and see what's going on, and it may be a bunny foo. You can't see them really well, but I did go ahead and put some of my onion starts in the high tone, and it looks like they're doing well. And then I have some great bunching onions over there, and I do have carrots coming up, and my radishes are continuing to prosper. Greg has put beets here down the middle of the high tunnel, so I'll be eager to see what we get from that, but they are starting to come up. And then here's some of our tomatoes. Now, guys, we don't know how we're going to do on our tomatoes this winter. We're going to try to keep them warm as much as we can, but we're going to be selective. If it looks like we're going to drop down to real cold for a certain amount of time, I'm afraid we're going to have to throw in the towel, because we spent so much effort last year trying to heat them, and I think only a blueberry cherry tomato survived. So we just don't know that we're going to be able to put a lot of propane into it and a lot of electricity to try to keep them alive, but we'll do our best to keep things going. But I mean, they're looking good. I'd really hate to lose them, but trying to keep things warm in here if we get an extensive cold is probably not something we're going to be able to do. I think we're going to have to throw in the towel on that, but we'll see. Now, if we just get below freezing, 32 or something, or even a frost, we can close up this high tunnel and they'll be fine, because since it's so large and it heats up so much during the day, it takes it a long time to bring it down to freezing, below freezing. So unless we get an extended 28, 25 degree period of time, we'll be okay until then. So maybe we can make it till the end of December. I'm not sure though. So there's a change in direction for us. I am going back to work. I'm going back to work on Monday. It is a career change. I am not sticking with my 32 years of procurement, which is what I've done. That's been my entire career. I'm going in a different direction, guys, and it's going to be helping my community and working with juveniles. So that's what I'm going to be doing starting on Monday. The great thing about it is it's a 4-day work week, and it is 10 minutes from the house. I'm really excited. I'm really excited about it, and it's just something that we've decided that we need to do right now. We really struggled, as you know, in the fall to try to get seed starts. We did pretty good in the summer with the farm, in the spring and the summer, and we hope to do even more. The farm's going to keep going. The website's going to keep going. My YouTube's going to keep going. It's just something that we feel like we need to do right now to get a little bit better, stable with situations that's going on in the world right now, and all the uproar and the higher prices. I'm not so sure about shortages. We're not seeing any shortages. There may be where you're at, but we're not seeing any shortages. But what we are seeing is extremely inflated energy costs, gas prices, and grocery prices. And so, and you know that we had to put a new engine in the truck, and then the well went out, so we had to put a new pump in that. So we think that this is the best decision. We prayed about it. We asked the Lord to give us direction. And so this is what we're going to be doing now. I'll keep doing my videos and stuff, and I appreciate all of you. And I appreciate you all going to our website and buying seeds and herbs from us. And so thank you so very much for your business, and we will continue to do that. Again, I'm not going to be very far from the house, and it's just a 4-day work week. So that will give me a 3-day weekend to work on the farm and keep the farmer's market going whenever we have stuff. But like right now, we just don't have anything other than our herbs and our seeds, and Greg's starting some seasonings today, and like our powders, our tomato powder and our beet powder and things like that. So this is something that we thought long and hard about, and until we can get better stabilized and better established and get our customer base here local established, this is what we're going to have to do. So we'll be starting probably our spring seeds for tomatoes and peppers late November, early December. So that's rolling around very quick. And that's so we can try to get them planted as quickly as possible and start harvesting early. We don't know. I mean, I know they were predicting that we were going to have a hotter summer next year than we did this year and last year. And I don't know that I can go through another scorch like that, but we do what we have to do. So again, we want to try to get everything planted and everything harvested as soon as possible. But right now the fall stuff's looking good. Our carrots, our onions, our greens, looking pretty good. The pumpkins are. I did harvest some after that video because we wanted to go ahead and get what we could and what was ready to go before the rains, because it's going to be a muddy mess back there, and it'd be a muddy mess for quite some time. So today's Wednesday. And if we get rain today, well, they're saying we're going to get rain all week, and we'll take it. We'll take it. So I may have to get out there in my mud boots and get the rest of those pumpkins Monday if it looks like we're going to get below freezing. But yeah, so herbs are coming to an end. My carrots are looking good though, and some of my greens in here. So next year, there's not going to be a lot planted in this little high tunnel, even through the fall. I'll put some things in here. But this is going to be predominantly the herb greenhouse, because they did so well in the heat last year, or last summer. No, I shouldn't even say last year, just a couple of months ago. We're still warm, but we're in the lower 80s. I'm ready for this cool air. But they did really well in the heat of the summer, so that's what we'll focus on. There'll be some things we can grow in here. I can grow some tomatoes in the early part of the year, and I'll do that. But for the most part, this is probably going to be mainly herbs. So this week I've been doing my fall cleaning in the house. I did go ahead and decorate for Christmas because my sister from Australia is coming next week. and she's going to be here for a month and celebrate Thanksgiving with us. So I try to have the house decorated for Christmas when she's here, since she's not going to be here at Christmas. So I'm looking forward to spending time with her. So we've been getting a lot of stuff done on the inside of the house, and you know, just trying to take care of some last minute things. And then of course the rest of this week will be very busy. We have processed some more herbs. We're processing some eggs right now. And so yeah, just trying to stay on top of things and get ready for a change, and get ready for my schedule change. But it's going to be good. And I ask for your prayers, guys. I ask that you lift me up and keep me in your prayers and lift us up. And we will be in touch this week. I love you all. Thank you for reaching out to me and asking me what's going on and checking on me. A couple of you have. And be sure and go check out our website if you haven't already. And for those of you who have already purchased some seeds and some herbs and some other goodies from us, thank you so very much. We love you all, and we will see you soon.